How to make multiple stickers from one photo on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how you can make more stickers from one photo on iPhone. At one point, Apple added the possibility to make a sticker from a photo from our gallery that we can later use in a conversation to share with friends. This option was very well received by the audience and found its application very quickly. Now, since version 17.2, we can make more stickers from one photo with several objects on it. How can we do it? Open the gallery and find the picture you want to make a sticker from. As you can see, I will use these two phone headphones to make two stickers. Simply hold onto the item you want to make a sticker from. When the phone processes the image and cuts the object, the copy option will appear, and right next to it there is the Add Sticker option. Tap on it, and you will see that the item has been added to our sticker section. Now go back to the picture and do the same with the other object. As you can see, we managed to add both headphones as separate stickers. Now you can send them to your friends or use them as a reply to a message during a conversation. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.